How bad was the recent bond bear market relative to historical bond bear markets?
It was the worst in history. I mean,
Wow.
because um, if you're looking at successive years, there were 3 years where the bond market declined, and that had never happened before. Um, Actually, a little like more like 2.5 years, but it was the Civil War in which there was a similar decline, but it wasn't even close because bonds lost basically 20% because interest rates went from on the 10-year bond 1.5% up to almost 5%. And that, and the yield on bonds and the price on bonds are inversely related. If the yields go up, price of bonds go down, yields go down, price of bonds go up. And so since the yield on bonds had declined from 1981 to 2020, it was golden years for fixed income investors. But you had the worst bear market in bond history in those 2 years of 2021 and 2022. And there's, no getting that back. If you look at any chart of total returns, you can see that you've had a decline so that people were pushed back to where they had made no profits in bonds in 10 or 15 years. It just wiped it out completely. And so it was the worst in history. But I don't think that a similar bond bear will occur simply because the only thing that can cause a bear market in the bond market is rising interest rates. And so, barring rising interest rates, that won't repeat itself. And it's done. It's history.